Good morning, children. I am Sora Bhaskar, working as school assistant, mathematics, ZPHS Rachala Gollapelli, Mandal LRA debate. Welcome to Vidya Siri YouTube channel. I hope that you have been preparing well in your convenience time using with Vidya Siri YouTube channel. This is very useful to you. Why? Because worldwide there is special situation is there. That's why must and should you can use Vidya Siri YouTube channel. Come to the point. In 10th class mathematics there are 14 chapters. Among 14 chapters, most important and easiest chapter is statistics. In this statistics, in our syllabus, measures of central tendency are there. They are classified into arithmetic mean, median, and mean, and mode. Other most important concept is Ogive curves also there. Already told you arithmetic mean in 3 methods. Now discuss about the median. Median is nothing but the given data arranged in ascending order, then exactly mid value is known as median of the observations or data. So data, there are two types. One is ungrouped data, second one is grouped data. In ungrouped data, for example, find the median of the data 3, 2, 5, 7, 1. First, this data arranged in either ascending order or descending order. So here ascending order 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Then exactly middle value is 3. That's why this data median is 3. So after observation of this example, there are 5 observations are there. That means odd number. If n is odd number, median is n by 2th term. N by 2th term. So 5 terms. N plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, third term is 3. Here median is 3 if n is odd number. Second example, find the median of the data 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 4. First this one is arranged in either ascending order or descending order. Ascending order 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So in this exactly middle values there are 2 terms are there, 8 and 9. Average of this 8 and 9, that is median. Median equal to 8 plus 9 by 2, 17 by 2, 8.5. So here if n is even number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. That's why here observations are even numbers. If n is even, median equal to n by 2 plus 1th terms average. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 2, 6 by 2 plus 1. 3 plus 4th average. 3 plus 4th average. 8 plus 9 by 2, 17 by 2, 8.5. Next, grouped data. Here given table, the students secured in SA1 marks. The table shows like this. Marks and students are given. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So students 0 to 10 marks secured 2 students. 10 to 20, 8 students. 20 to 30, 12 students. 30 to 40, 10 students. 40 to 50, 8 students. This is the our given data. Next, write down the formula first. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L indicates least boundary of the median class. Least boundary of the median class. N by 2. N is sum of the frequencies, half of the frequencies. CF, preceding of the median class of cumulative frequency. F is frequency of the median class. H is size of the median. Next, first here find out the n by 2 value. Why? Because in formula n by 2 value is there. N equal to 40, then n by 2 equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. Next, L. L indicates least boundary of the median class. So here n equal to 20, a 20 becomes in cumulative frequency that belongs to 22. 20 belongs to up to 22 marks. That's why depending upon all values, depending upon 22 number. So that's why I put star symbol. Now L, least boundary of the median class. This is median class. Least boundary of the median class. Least boundary 20 or 20 plus 20 by 2, average of least boundary. 20 plus 20 by 2, 40 by 2, that is 20. Next, n by 2 already came. CF, cumulative frequency, preceding cumulative frequency of median class. This is median. Preceding cumulative frequency, this is CF, 10. Next, F, frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. F equal to 12. Next, H, size of the class. So 10 minus 0 or 30 minus 20, whatever it may be. Difference of the boundaries. 10 minus 0, that is 10. H equal to 10. So substitute all these values. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 20 plus 20 minus 10 by 12 into 10. 20 plus 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 by 12 into 10. 20 plus 10 tens are 100. 100 by 12. So 20 plus 8.33. 100 by 12 means 8.33. Totally median equal to 28.33. So here main important point is, so extend the table up to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is addition of the frequency from top to bottom. First class frequency 2, cumulative frequency also 2. Second class cumulative frequency 2 plus 8, 10. Third class cumulative frequency 2 plus 8 plus 12, 22. Fourth class cumulative frequency 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 10, that is 32. Last class cumulative frequencies, sum of all these frequencies, that is 40. So totally important step is n by 2 is 20. 20 belongs to in cumulative frequency, that is nearest to 22. That's why total values depending upon 22 only. This is the important. That's why I put here star symbol. So all values depending upon 22. So L, least boundary of the median class. Least boundary of the median class. 20 plus 20 by 2, 20. Next, CF, cumulative frequency. Preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. Preceding cumulative frequency of the median class. That is CF equal 20. Next, F, frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. Next, H, size of the class. Difference between any boundaries, order boundaries, that is 10. Substitute all these values in formula. We get 28.33. Thank you.